Hi guys, my name's Tina. I'm gonna be cutting my husband's hair today after 40 days in quarantine. The hat's coming off. I'm gonna be using the Conair Barbershop Professional Series clippers. So for this quarantine haircut cleanup, I'm just gonna focus on the sides, around the ear, around his neckline, and really just give him a nice clean shape. Step one, he has his cape on. I grab my comb and scissors. I'm now going to comb down around his ear and create the outline. So anything that is outside of that outline, I'm just gonna trim away. The next step, I grabbed my trimmers and I have the number 4 blade on there because he has quite long hair and really coarse. So now we're just gonna start to clip away. I can really get in there and start to take away some of this length. For our third and final step, I have a guardless trimmer and I'm gonna focus on his neckline. So look down for me, Sean, and clean up around it, right? So I'm not touching the actual hairline. I'm just cleaning up all that little fuzz around. So the final cut is done. Here's the big reveal. I loved using these clippers. It was able to keep the length. It was able to clean it up really nicely. I mean, his final cut looks great. I'll show you the back. So there's his outline. That's how we started. And then going down to his neckline, so nice and clean. All in all, it was a great experience.